All right, so in this, they give you two pots here. There's 4 pots here that equal 36 inches. There's 6 pots here that equal 42 inches. And so what they want to do is they want you to find out which function represents any of these. So just like what we did on page 113, you would take this number and put it in for n and see if it yields out to 36 and if it yields out to number 6. So as you've seen, I've done some of this work already. If you stick 4 in here for A, it's going to equal 3 times 4 right there plus 12, and it doesn't yield 36, it yields 24, so that one is out. But the next one, you stick it here and 4 into this equation, and you're going to get 12 plus 24, which does yield 36, but you got to check the next one and see, does this one work? Okay, if you put in a 6, does it yield 42? So 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 24 does equal 42, so it does match for both of them. Therefore, B is the correct answer for number 9. For number 19, it says the number of skaters at an outdoor skating rink can be modeled by the function above, that one right there, where X is the average daily temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the temperature. And A and K are constants. When the average daily temperature is 15, there are twice as many skaters as when the average daily temperature is 24. What is the value of A over K? So we need to take this and plug in the different temperatures into the function that's given, okay? And so it says that when the temperature is 15, so when we plug in 15 there, we know it's going to be negative A times 15 plus K, right? And it says that when it's 24 degrees, when it's P of 24, it's going to be, there's twice as many skaters than this when it's 24. So what do we do to this is we're going to put in the number 24A plus K. Okay, but we know that when it is this temperature right over here, when it is this temperature here, there's going to be 2 times this. So when it is 15 degrees, which is negative A, 15 plus K, when it is at this temperature, it is going to equal twice the temperature of when it's 24. So that's why we do this right over here. So this is going to be, I'm going to highlight this, the part that I think many of you guys need to study over and over so that you don't get this wrong in case you get it on the teach back. Okay, so go through that over again and again so that you understand, repeating this portion right over here. When the average daily temperature is 15, and we know that when it's 15, it comes out to this, that's why it's here. There are twice as many skaters as when the average temperature is 24, and when it's 24, it's this. So we're going to take twice that right over here, and this is the part that I think many of you guys will get stuck on. Okay, so stop here and go over this several times now. Okay, so after this, it's going to become negative 15A plus K equals, and then distribute this to there. It's going to be negative 48 plus 2K. Okay, join the K's together. So negative K, so that one crosses out. And then what you're going to have here is going to be, 15A plus K equals that. And then you have your, sorry, this is an A, that's what I'm not looking at. So now you could go positive 48A here, positive 48 here. That will cross out. So you're going to have here regular K is going to equal, and you just go 48 minus 15, which is 33A. Okay? From here, what you are going to do is, because they want to eventually find A over K. This is our goal. Okay? What you could do here, because these numbers are constants, it said in the beginning, right? It said right over here, A and K are constants. So you could plug in a number for A. Let's just say that I plug in the number. So I'm going to put in plug in A. I'm going to say A equals 1, okay? Or let's just A equals 2. If A equals 2, that means K would equal 66, right? So K is going to be 66, A is going to equal 2. And that will always reduce down to 1 over 33. No matter what numbers, if you put a 3 here, okay, let's just say you go 33 times 3, and your A equals 3. 3 times 33 is 99, okay? 3 over 99 will reduce to 1 out of 33 because A and K are constants. So it'll always reduce down to this number.